Robbie, that's a long history. We are celebrating this year 30th anniversary of Robe Lighting. The company was founded in 1994, and we were two founders, myself and my business partner Ladislav. And from the beginning, we were focusing on designing and manufacturing intelligent lighting products. 30 years ago, there were no moving heads. There were just scanners and color changers. So our first product, intelligent product, was the scanner. We had the first scanners with the servo motors, and a year later with the stepper motors. So since the beginning, from 1994, we were developing our technology, the products, bigger, more features, more powerful scanners at that time. And the really breakthrough was for us in year 1999 when we launched our first moving head, the 250 spot and 250 wash. And then from that, we opened up more business with more OEM, because from the beginning we were working under OEM brands, so we were manufacturing for other brands. And in 2002, we have decided to go on the market. There were certain circumstances for us, because our former OEM partners, they were all looking to alternative products in China. So we had to go to the market and introduce our Robe brand. Robe name, there is a meaning behind. There are two words behind. RO represents the Rozhnov, city of Rozhnov, where the company is, and when I used to live. And BE is the river, Bechva, and it's also a small village called Bechva as well, where my business partner Ladislav used to live. And so the river Bechva goes through the city of Rozhnov. And so we were sitting in the cafe with Ladislav in 1995. So the name was not there from the beginning. The first year there was some other names for the company, but we said, okay, now we have to set up the limited company, and we have to give it a real name. So we created this ROBE, Rozhnov Bechva. So Robe is not the bathrobe, or the dress, the evening robe for the ladies. It has a totally different meaning. Yeah, so it's a Rozhnov and Bechva, and the name was good, short, with the red dot, the statement. So that's how it was founded. We were not using it for 7-8 years, only when we launched the brand and the direct distribution in 2002. So then it went public, and since then, it's on the market. The main strength is that from the very beginning, we have decided to do our R&D work in-house. Of course, at that time, we had two guys in R&D, one mechanical, one software. But that was crucial for us. We had to learn how to incorporate and control DMX, how to have it in our products, etc. So we were designing everything in-house. We were not giving the R&D work to other companies. We were not outsourcing them. And that remained the same until today, which is even more important, because it's not only electronic design, the PCB, it's not only the software design, it's not mechanical design, it's also optical design, heat management design of the product, etc. So right now, I know it from 2 weeks ago, we have 56 people in our R&D department. So this is really the strength, the R&D, and the R&D, all R&D work is done in-house. So we have, for example, 6 optical engineers, right? We have 16 electronic engineers. We have lots of mechanical, etc. So altogether, including the testing, proper testing, software testing, 56 people in R&D department. This is as a result of the work of our R&D. We have we have developed a lot of technologies which are protected by international patents. And over the 20 years, but more, I would say 16 years, because first patents we have, they are 20 years old now. But we started really pushing the patents and technology in 2007, 2008, and since then we have invented a vast of technical solutions, innovative technical solutions. So right now we have over 130 patents issued or pending. So all our patents are in United States, in European Union, and most of them are in China. Definitely all latest patents are in China. So we are focusing on these three markets because US is the biggest market, and the same is European Union, and China is the biggest copy country, full of manufacturers, copying our products or copying the technology or making look-alike products, etc. So that's the reason why our patents are also, we are applying for the patents also in China. So this is our strength, the technology, innovations, new ideas, new concepts, and to push, the technology forward and to set the bar high for the market, for the competition. That's what I see. And the thing that we are based in Czech Republic, in the European Union, and everything is manufactured in Czech Republic. So that's also important, and it's became even more important now, when this world is changing every day, and we don't know what's gonna happen. So now, companies are thinking to bring the production back from China to Europe or to United States. We are there in Czech Republic from the beginning. We have 3 factories in Czech Republic. We have our own PCB factory. We have our own metal production, coating for the powder coating lines for the metal production. We are doing coating of our lenses. We have our dichroic production, not producing the dichroic filters, but doing the producing the gobos and producing the color mixing flags. And we have we do our looms for our products. So we are trying to do many things, many components to produce them in our factory. So this is really also a big strength for us, and we can control the price and we can control the quality. So, and right now, as again, I saw the latest numbers 2 weeks ago, we had hit the number 1,000 people employed by Robe. So it's quite an achievement. So 1,000 people, and this is only in Czech Republic. So I'm not counting people who are working for us in subsidiaries in Germany, France, UK, US, and other places, and the international sales team. So we are growing, and and I hope it's gonna continue. We are the only company on the market. They have fully certified products. We have the green approval, and we are listed on the special websites where you can see all our products have this ecological approval. You can read out. There is a protocol of every product, also the CO2 footprint, etc. So we are the first, and we are the leaders in that green technology. And we have been installing for last 2 years the photovoltaic panels on our factories. So we have over 1,000 kilowatt peak panels installed in the factory. And now we are finishing a new building for components, and the building has a green facade. Green means there are plants on it. It looks fantastic. And this is really a signature look on the factory. When you visit us, you will see and you will recognize that this is something special.